Slow English Conversation for Beginners. Hello everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, you will listen to Slow English Conversations for Beginners. This video will help you listen to English, understand English, speak English slowly. Do not worry, we will speak very slowly. Listen carefully. Repeat after us. Let us begin. Conversation 1. Greeting and introduction. Person A, hello. Person B, hi. Person A, how are you? Person B, I am fine, thank you. How are you? Person A, I am good. What is your name? Person B, my name is Rahim. What is your name? Person A, my name is Alex. Nice to meet you. Person B, nice to meet you too. Talking about country and work. Where are you from? I am from Bangladesh. What do you do? I am a student. I am learning English. That is nice. Do you like English? Yes, I do. English is important. Repeat slowly. Change country and job. Daily routine. What do you do every day? I wake up early. What do you do after that? I eat breakfast. Then I go to work. Do you study English every day? Yes, I do. I study English at night. Practice these sentences daily. Asking for help. Excuse me, can you help me? Yes, sure. What do you need? Can you explain this word? Yes. I will explain slowly. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Very useful conversation for learners. Conversation 5. At a shop. Hello. Hello. I want water. Here you are. How much is it? It is 50 taka. Thank you. Thank you. Practice shop conversations at home. Practice section. Speak alone. Now it is your practice time. Say slowly. Hello. How are you? My name is blank. I am from blank. I am learning English. Speak in front of a mirror. Speak slowly. Motivation for beginners. Remember this. You do not need fast English. You need clear English. Listening daily will improve your speaking. Every fluent speaker was once a beginner. Practice every day. Thank you for watching. This was Slow English Conversation for Beginners. Like this video. Share with new learners. Subscribe for more lessons. See you in the next video. Keep learning English.